What's up, Breaker family? In this video, I am going to be unboxing the Animated Lighting Scary Clown. So here's the box right here. I'm going to be unboxing him and checking him out and turning him on. So yeah, here he is. He's well, it's not him, but this is the box. You see, that's what he's gonna look like right there. If you watch my shorts, you'll know what he looks like. Well, not being said, let's get him out of the box. Well, guys, here he is right here. Here he is, the Animated Lighting Scary Clown. This is what he looks like right here. What he looks like up closely. You can see his eyes and his nose and his teeth. He has these skeleton arms or hands, you could say. And he's got his orange hair. Right there, orange hair. So yeah, guys, seeing some stuff on this guy is really cool. So let's check in his back now. So yeah, let me open the back to see what's inside of him. So let's see what we got inside. So yeah, we can go more up here. And we can probably see what's in there. Just like see like normal stuff in there, stuff that make them work and stuff. See a lot of wires. There's these 4 wires right here. And down there, it of course leads to the arms, as you can see. So now let's close this up so we can get to see him talk and other stuff. And yeah, on the box it says spooky sound effects. We're gonna find out those spooky sound effects right now. So let's find them. But hold on. When I flipped him, I found this inside. I see more. There's like that big white thing and there's a blue wire in it. And there's like a white stuffing or like hard back there. Or there's this big two black. There's 2 black big pieces. I don't know if this is supposed to be open, but yeah, I don't know. You know what? Anyways, I want to find what those spooky sound effects are. So let's go look at them now. Okay, so I think you're supposed to go down here by his butt. I think you're supposed to open it, and there is stuff where you can turn them on. So I guess he needs batteries because this would be where you would put the batteries. I don't know if you have to just screw this out or screw the whole thing out. Yeah, I don't even want to screw any of these out. Okay, anyways, I'm getting sidetracked. Let's turn them on. I guess you're supposed to just flick this up or down. I don't know. I'm gonna try down. Well, that didn't seem to do anything, so I'll try up now. He's working! So yeah, he is working now. So I guess we just gotta say something or yell. I'm gonna... Wait, what? How did you turn it on? I didn't even turn you on. Bruh! Wait, actually, I'm gonna turn him on. I have to be quiet because he is motion. Or every time you make a sound or a movement, this guy's gonna turn on right away. So you don't wanna make a sound or a movement. Because if you do, this guy's gonna turn on. Oh my god! Okay, we got it over with now. I'll just touch his button and then I'm gonna do it. Not you. Me. Okay, let's do it. Believe in touching. Try me. Let's do it. I didn't even touch it. You didn't hear the click. I touched. Bro, you gotta stop right now. You gotta stop right now. Guys, if you don't believe me, I'll show you that I actually, this is how it sounds when you touch it. See? It makes the click sound. Oh, stop, shut up. Get away from me. Okay, bro. I had enough of you, but it's time to fight. Okay, you wanna fight me? Watch this. Watch. Yeah, who's laughing now? Ha 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 ha. Come on, fight, fight, come on. Come on. Oh, finally, it's all done. Thanks for watching this video.